In 2008, the world almost ended. Not in fire, not in war, but in silence. ATMs were hours away from going dark. Banks didn't trust other banks. Money stopped believing in itself. And then nothing happened. No reset, no collapse, no apology. Here's the question no one asked. What if the financial crash didn't disappear? What if it was postponed? Every economy runs on one fragile thing: confidence. Money has value only because we believe tomorrow will exist. In 2008, that belief cracked. Global banks were holding over $700 trillion in derivatives. Paper promises stacked on paper promises. Imagine a skyscraper made of IOUs. One floor collapses. Everything should fall, but it didn't because someone caught it midair. Governments didn't fix the system, they paused it. Central banks created money, not by printing paper, but by typing numbers into existence. This was called liquidity support. A better word? Life support. Bad debt wasn't destroyed, it was moved. From banks to governments, from balance sheets to public memory. Like sweeping broken glass under a rug and calling the room safe. Interest rates went to zero, then below zero. Money became cheap, risk became invisible, and the game restarted. But here's the secret. Crashes don't die. They hibernate. The debts never disappeared. They grew. Corporations borrowed endlessly. Governments borrowed endlessly. Asset prices inflated. Stocks, housing, everything. The system didn't heal. It numbed itself like a patient injected with morphine, still bleeding, just not screaming. And the longer this went on, the more dangerous stopping became. Today we live in the aftershock. Inflation isn't random. Inequality isn't accidental. Asset owners were rescued. Wage earners were delayed. The cost wasn't paid in 2008. It was spread across decades. Higher rents, higher food prices, permanent debt. The collapse wasn't cancelled. It was deferred to everyone else. Here's the unsettling truth. The system didn't save us, it saved itself. Every time a crash is avoided, its energy is stored. And history is clear about one thing. You can delay gravity, but you can't delete it. The only question left is, who pays next?